Alright, we got a cab high DCU by ARE. Fits the 05 to 15 Toyota Tacoma with a 6-foot bed. It was specifically built for an 09 Tacoma. The color is 6T6 evergreen mica, or when you look that number up, it's called light green. It's hardly light green, but that's actually the Toyota description of the color. So it has more of a, to me, it looks like a green gray, but hey, I could be color blind. DCU has got cargo doors on the side. It's got the stainless steel palm handles on the side. The pulls the door open, has key locks right there. Pull the door open. Inside it has toolboxes. This one's never been installed, so it's got all the rail, the trim and stuff to install on the top. It's never been put on a truck yet, so this is brand new top. Cargo doors shut here on the side. It's got the tracks only for the Yakima tracks. They put on the top was the tracks only option on both sides, so you can attach roof racks or ladder racks or whatever. There's nothing wrong with this cab. I couldn't find a single thing wrong with this camper shell here. Picture window in the front. Oh wait, you know what? One little nick in the trim right there. Picture window in the front. Yeah, the green color comes out a little bit better on this side. The locks are keyed to match the vehicle. They haven't even been keyed to a vehicle yet, so you can just key these to your truck when you get it installed. Tracks only, like I said, for the roof racks or ladder racks or whatever. On this side, we've got the door on here. We've got just toolbox, open toolbox. The install seals and stuff are still in here from factory. Never been installed. Single T-handle in the back, third brake light. Toolboxes on the inside. Here's the inside of it. Right there. Like I said, it was built specifically for an 09 Toyota Tacoma. Double cab with a 73.5 foot bed, 73.5 inch bed. It'll fit the 05 to 15 Tacomas, 6-foot bed. Color is 6T6, evergreen mica, or light green, as Toyota puts it. Nice unit, brand new, at a used price.